Today we'll show you how to add Arabic language to your keyboard to writing with it. Okay, just don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching. First, open you here to go to searching and open your settings. Okay, this is your settings, and now go to it's like this, it's the length of this is of the time. Okay, just click to here, it's down, then comp, then camps, and the front, then the game. Okay, just 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. In the 7, just click, and after this just go now to this is essays. Okay, this is here, it's like for keyboard. Okay, after this just now go to language and region. Okay, just click, and finally here we will find your language of your computer to writing. Just click here to add a language and click, and go now to Arabic, and you can find what you want from your Arabic language you want. Okay, I will now click maybe to this is Arabic Tunisian, like this. Just click and go to now to next, and like install like edit. Okay, just you need to wait like a few seconds or a few minutes. I don't know, a few minutes now, but you can find here, it's Arabic here, and you can write like here. Okay, maybe did you see? It's now Arabic language. So don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.